I didn't plan on vlogging this trip, but I actually am going to. I am basically in New Orleans now. I found a place. I'm gonna go and sign my lease. I just want to look at the place one more time before I decide to sign my lease. I'm gonna do that, go look at some furniture, run a few errands, and explore the city a little bit. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along. My friend Kiana will be joining me. So yeah, you guys will just get to see the process of me getting this move together. I am in shock a little bit that I'm actually gonna do it. So yeah, you'll see like all my little vibes throughout the video, because 1 minute I'll just be fine and cool, like okay, I'm moving, I'm excited. The next minute I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? So with that being said, yeah, just pay attention to the vibe. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm scared of dogs. So it's this dog over here, and I'm scared of dogs. I need to go. So I was walking out the house and it was a dog, like a stray dog, a really little one. I have it in a clip before this, but I almost lost my shit. I'm just staring at the dog like, don't fuck with me, don't fuck with me, leave me alone, let me get to this car. No smoke, I don't want none. And I made it to the car, I got in the car, and he ain't fuck with me. But he was like growling at me a little bit. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to fight this dog. Like, how do you fight off a dog? What are you supposed to do? Y'all gonna see in a clip, I got the phone like shaky. I'm scared of dogs that aren't like, I don't know how to explain it, but that, it's a no for me, dog. I'm about to go pick up Kiana and explore my new city. I'm a little excited, actually. So yeah, my makeup came out really good for me to have done it in like 5 minutes. I'm here for it. My hair look crazy though, and for some reason I need to get a good lip scrub. My lips have been peeling and it's so annoying, and I got a pimple on my nose. I don't think I can see it. I put some makeup on it, but I'm just waiting on Kiana. I can't believe I'm moving out of state, like moving out of state by myself. I never really gave an introduction video, so I've been living in Wisconsin for basically all of my life. My dad's family is from Louisiana, so I've been here back and forth, and I did move here for like a very short period of time, and I got homesick and I moved back when I first started college. So it's what, 4 years later, 5 years later, damn near. And I'm back, and this time I'm gonna be here for at least 9 months. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm not leaving. I'm not gonna let myself leave. I'm gonna, yeah, that's a conversation for another day. But so I went to school, graduated. After graduating, I stayed here for, it was what was supposed to be 6 months, which actually did turn into like 6 months almost. And I worked full-time and part-time, and I saved. So what I did was, to prepare for my move, I worked full-time and I saved all the money that I made from my full-time job. So every check that I got, I just deposited into my savings. I did have one mishap along the road. I'll tell you about that. That's like a story time. I basically hit one of my siblings' car with my car. So we'll talk about that in the story time. But I lived off my part-time check. So I was still living at home. I have like the best parents ever. If I needed to live at home for the rest of my life, I could with them. And I did have, like, I had my own space. It's a decent sized house. So, you know, I was basically living good, really, rent free. I just pay for like my personal expenses. So I'm not the best at my money management because I should have been able to live off of some of my part-time check. Like, I don't have a lot of bills. I didn't have a lot of bills, but I just saved the full-time checks. I was still trying to enjoy life while I worked like that, because I was working like crazy. I worked from 7 to 5 and then 6 to 9 basically every day, and then on Sundays I worked an 8-hour shift. So I was working like crazy, but it was all to prepare for this move. And then I'll go through a video that's like more thorough, if that's something that y'all would want to see. Vlog will pretty much be about me getting everything settled. So I have to sign my lease, I have to look for furniture, I want to just explore the area so I can get acclimated. I want to know where I need to go, look into like the doctors, dentist, all that. I am in the middle of an Invisalign treatment too. So I don't know how that's gonna work. I have to look into that. And I gotta meet with my employer while I'm here. So it's kind of a long trip. I'm here for a week, Tuesday to Tuesday. Didn't really want to be here that long. I was trying to, you know, just come get what I need to get done and then go. Make this like, really, I would have made it a weekend thing if I could have. So I can just spend time with my family before I leave and see everybody. But luckily I'll be able to do that. I'll be able to, I don't know. I be getting lost when I'm talking. Like, I be looking at other stuff. I get so distracted. But yes. No, not responsible for loss. They're damaged. Wait. Wow. And bacon, bacon cheddar red fries. I have a margarita, and she has
Red Bull Jameson.
Red Bull Jameson.
What?
Like the picture that's on your, wow, why can't I think of it? Whatever. Thumbnail, there we go. Okay, so come on. Right now it's 75. No, I'm just kidding. So we are just looking for living room furniture, and that's it. And is that it? Kitchen?
I don't know what you need.
After you.
Oh, thank you. Smells really good, man.
Just looking right now. Pretty too.
It's so bad, bro.
Oh yeah, that's nice. This too small though for me. I be needing it. I really like this one.
No, $450.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
What's
is.
the
It's
love
sold for
seat is what,
$450.
430?
Yeah.
I actually like this. I can't get copyright. Wait, how do you do all this with their hands? I don't know what I Wait. This is hard. I'm fucking up. Okay, I really like this couch set and I just walked in here. Can you record? I'm gonna sit down. Oh my gosh, it's comfy. It's like, I like this, Kiana. I think I found it. Let's buy it. Sofa and love seat, $1,500. That's a lot, right?
Well, I mean, you get the sofa and a love seat. Probably a nice lifetime warranty on
I
it.
wonder if this is a pull-out. No? I would like to have a pull-out because that would prevent me from having to get... I mean, I have an air mattress, but I would
Cocktail
like
table only $379. It's a nice table. This whole set is nice.
It is. That's cheap for that table. Thank you.
Put that over there. It's a little cheaper.
It's still, I mean, for $12, you know, you'll pay $15. I like this.
What?
I like
What kind of reasoning?
this cute. What you think?
I like it. I like the stitching on it. I like the.
It's like a vibe. Right?
I like the material.
I like the shape.
Let me actually have a
This
seat.
is a little more.
Oh. I don't
It's
know.
comfortable. I think it'll be easier to do different shades of gray with this than that. Like with that, you gotta do a white though. This you could do like a gray.
You can do a
because of the
black.
charcoal or black.
Black accents.
This is more Louisiana style. Like this is some shit somebody will have in their house here, right? Okay, cut. Kiana, dang. I'm stressed.
Why?
Bills late, money running out. Pull up the stove, bitch out. I have decided that I actually am going to sign the lease for the apartment that I applied to. I'm super excited to do that. I love the place. I think I found furniture, but I may look on Wayfair just to see if I can find something more reasonably priced. I just need a living room set, so shouldn't be too much. And that is it. I don't know if I'll vlog anymore, so if not, no. Okay, guys. Kiana has me here. What's this place called?
Blind Pelican.
Blind Pelican, and we are trying raw oysters. I'm so nervous, but I said I was going to try them, so the opportunity. What is it, $3 for a dozen? It's lit. I'm going to let y'all see my reaction. Here are the oysters. Oh my gosh. I'm about to try this. I'm so nervous. I'm so scared.
I'm not.
You can.
I am though.
Okay. I'm about to do this. Lord. Okay. What's this, cocktail sauce? Should I just do it with hot sauce though? Because I know I like hot
Both.
sauce.
You gotta do it with both.
I'm
Now
gonna
get a
do it
cracker
with-
first. You gotta get a cracker. Open a cracker.
I want to try it without
Oh, off the shell. All right.
Yeah, off the shell.
Squeeze a little lemon.
A lot of lemon.
Whatever you gotta do.
Okay, put some hot sauce.
Nice.
Oh, that was a lot.
I wouldn't have used that one. I would have used the other one, but
Why?
because I think the other one is better. Crystals.
Okay, and then I'm gonna take this, squeeze some lemon.
Nice.
And then from what I watch on YouTube, you're supposed to like kind of peel it off so that it'll come out. Ugh, this shit about to be nasty. This gonna taste like the sea. Wait, do you eat it from this way?
Whatever is best for you. Yeah, the wider part, not near like that little.
That's a lot of hot sauce. Okay, this is it. I'm fucking scared.
How was it? It might be a pearl.
Yeah.
It's always, you know, it's fresh out the ocean, so it's
It
like
don't taste like nothing.
the texture not
It
too
tastes
bad.
weird. The texture is weird as fuck, but it's okay. I think I can eat it. Wow, wow, guys. Fuck. What did I just do? I'm gonna eat some more. So there you have it. My review on oysters. It was decent. A little more lemon juice, and it tastes weird for a little minute. I'm like, can I do this? But it was